Ever wondered if your Nutmeg portfolio could be doing more? Are you tired of seeing those flatlined returns and want to inject a little more life into your long-term investments? Well, you're not alone. Many of us sign up for a service like Nutmeg, set our risk level, and then just leave it. But what if I told you there are ways to actively maximize your returns without becoming a day trader? Let's dive into some smart, actionable strategies that can make a real difference to your Nutmeg portfolio. First off, let's talk about risk. Nutmeg's algorithm does a great job of suggesting a portfolio based on your risk tolerance, but it's not a set-it-and-forget-it deal forever. Your personal financial situation and goals change over time. Maybe you've paid off some debt, got a promotion, or are now saving for a specific milestone. It's crucial to reassess your risk profile periodically. If you've been on a cautious level 3 for years but your financial security has significantly improved, consider bumping it up a notch or two. A higher risk level often means a greater allocation to equities, which historically have higher long-term returns. Don't be afraid to take on a little more risk when it's prudent to do so. Next up, let's look at fees. Nutmeg's fees are transparent, but they still eat into your returns. One of the biggest advantages of Nutmeg is their different portfolio options. Have you considered moving from their standard fully managed portfolio to fixed allocation? The fixed allocation portfolios have significantly lower management fees because they aren't actively managed. They simply rebalance automatically. If you're confident in your long-term strategy and don't need a team of experts constantly tweaking your portfolio, this switch could save you a significant amount in fees, and over years, those savings compound into a substantial difference in your final returns. Now for a slightly more advanced strategy, topping up your account strategically. Instead of just setting up a monthly direct debit, think about making lump sum deposits during market dips. When the market experiences a downturn, the price of the underlying assets in your portfolio goes down. This is an opportunity to buy low. By adding a significant sum during these periods, you're essentially buying more shares at a discount. Of course, predicting the bottom is impossible, but keeping an eye on major market corrections and making an extra deposit can significantly boost your average return over time. Finally, don't underestimate the power of tax-efficient accounts. If you're not already, make sure you're maxing out your ISA allowance. The gains inside an ISA are completely tax-free. If you've already filled your ISA for the year, consider using a pension for additional tax relief. The government tops up your pension contributions, which is an immediate return on your investment, and it grows tax-free until retirement. It's a fantastic way to maximize your money before it even enters the market. So, there you have it, a few simple but powerful ways to take control of your Nutmeg portfolio and potentially supercharge your returns. By periodically reviewing your risk level, choosing a lower fee portfolio, being smart about your deposits, and utilizing tax-efficient accounts, you can make your money work harder for you. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.